Hey Genevieve, are you ready for a prize? What do you think it is?
A pistol?
You look awfully cute. You're sitting there being so angelic. Uncharacteristic for you. Okay, Miss Tina,
Yes.
present the prize for young Genevieve.
Close your eyes. I knew it was going to be that. I knew it.
Do you like it?
Yes. I want to open it. Open it. Open it.
Can you do
Why
it?
do you open it?
Frame?
How do you open it?
I don't want to get in the frame.
Help her.
Tina, open it for me.
Okay, let's see.
Does it have pillows and come with it?
We'll buy you new pillows.
Alright, lay down.
Okay.
Lay
Sit
down.
like a lady. Oh.
No, get a penny shot on our video.
Shush.
Alright, are you ready?
Oh. All right. Turn it over, Daddy. Turn it over. I love the paw prints on the other side.
I've got it wrong. Shocker.
Pistol. I'm going to look at the pistol. Let me look at it.
Get under it.
Okay?
Is it warm?
Wait, start all over. I want to make me pop up.
Go ahead and just do that now.
Where is Genevieve? Where is Genevieve? It's very cute. Do you want a purple room? Mm-hmm.
With pet shops. Dear.
Genevieve, do you love Daddy for buying that for you?
Mm-hmm.
All right.